explain about the encapsulation in Java. Encapsulation is a mechanism that binds together code and data. It manipulates and keeps both safe from the outside interfaces and misuse. You can see it is like an encapsulation where you have a class and variable and data together. So it will be hidden from this will be the real world and this will be your hidden part. Bundling of data along with the methods that operate on that data into a single unit. For example, a student class with all the details of a student combined together but limited access to the outside world. This can be implemented by using Java by using access specifiers. So this is an access specifier where you can specify while declaring a variable. For example, name variable string as a name. This can be specified as whether it is a private, protected or default. So this is the access specifiers. 4 access specifiers are there from which you can achieve the encapsulation. And next, for example, encapsulation is a class of java.util.hash table. User only knows that he can store data in form of key or value. So only the key and value paired in a hash table, and that can be retrieved that data in the various ways. But the actual implementation like how and where this data is actually stored is hidden from the user. And next comes the polymorphism. So polymorphism, poly plus more, many plus forms. One functional unit which can take multiple forms. Describe situation something occurs in several different forms. For example, addition can be done on 2, 4 to n numbers. Numbers or single method can perform the calculation. Only the number to be added will be specified. Polymorphism is a feature that allows one interface to be used for general class actions. In Java, 2 types are there: compile time and runtime. Compile time will be method overloading, runtime method overriding. So it will be in a static, and runtime it will be in a dynamic. So this is the polymorphism: static, compile time, function time, functions overloading and functions overriding, method overloading. Then static polymorphism. Java, like many other OOPS languages, allow you to implement multiple methods within the same class that use the same name, but Java uses a different set of parameters called methods overloading and represents a static form of polymorphism. The parameter set in different at least one following 3. They need have a different number of parameters method accepting 2, accepting another 3. The type of parameter need to be different. One method accepting a string and another one accepting a long. They need to expect the parameters in different orders. In most cases, each of the overloaded method provides a different but very similar functionality. So next is the dynamic polymorphism. It doesn't allow the compiler to determine the executed method. The JVM needs to do runtime. So when you are executing a program, this will be achieved. Within an inheritance hierarchy, a subclass can override a method or its superclass, enabling the developer of the subclass to customize or completely replace the behavior of that method. Both methods implemented by super and subclasses share same name and parameters that provide different functionality. So this I will end this. Next I will come to the inheritance in next video. Thank you for watching.